Hello there, my name is Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday again.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Today we are making Instant Coffee Fluff. Why is it called that? Because the main and most important ingredient is instant coffee. Not coffee grounds, instant coffee. Make sure you have that, okay? Who likes coffee in our household?
Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy, we do. And in the summertime, we love it nice and cold. So this drink is very comparable to a Frappuccino or a coffee culotta. Do you want to help me make it?
Yes!
Yes, okay. So you only need 3 ingredients for this. We went over the first one, that's instant coffee. The second one is a sweetener of your choice. I'm going to use monk fruit sweetener today. And the last thing that we need is almond milk. Do you like almond milk?
I love almond milk.
I love almond milk too.
I can have some.
So let's start with how to make this. Step 1, you need to heat your water to boiling. The way that I did it was I used a mug, and I just poured it about halfway full and put it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I measured out. Do you know how big this is?
Half a cup.
This is 1 tablespoon. So I need 2 tablespoons of hot water into my bowl. Then I need,
a big bowl.
This is a big bowl. This bowl is gonna hold our 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of our sweetener. So we're gonna stir those together in the bowl until all of the sugar is dissolved. Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of this instant coffee and give that just a little stir. Next, we're gonna take our hand mixer.
Can I use that?
Well, we can. Yes, we can. But I've already done it here for you today. So we're gonna mix up that coffee, water, and sweetener up until it's a nice fluffy consistency. Then, I'm gonna give you a big job. Are you ready? Can you pour this almond milk unsweetened, vanilla flavor, into this mug? Yep, can you do that? Just fill it up to about here. Do that for me? Good job. Perfect, a little bit more.
That?
Perfect.
Ah,
Great job.
That's a lot of milk.
That's a lot of milk, but what you're gonna do next is you're gonna put, it does smell good. You wanna put this on top.
Can I do it?
You can. Here, why don't you try using this? So this has been sitting out for just a minute, but normally it would be nice and peaked, and it would make your almond milk layer on the bottom and your coffee fluff on the top. Go ahead, you can put that whole thing in there if you want to.
Do it.
Yeah. I highly recommend stirring this before you drink it because the coffee fluff itself can be a little bit strong. Oh, good job.
I saw some black stuff in it.
And then finally, the nutrition facts about this is next to the best thing, next to the flavor. There's only about 30 calories in this recipe, and that mostly comes from the almond milk. That's why we like the unsweetened. There's about 1 gram of protein, also from the almond milk, because the coffee doesn't really have anything other than coffee in it. And then the sweetener of your choice will determine how much sugar there is. Monk fruit, this particular one, has 4 sugar alcohols. So it just depends on what kind of sugar you use. That's it. I would stir this up, and then you can stir it. Go right ahead. And that's all there is to it. We hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you next time on Food Tip Tuesday.
I think I know what the black stuff is.
Do you want to say goodbye?
Bye. I know what the black stuff is in the drink. Ice.
Do we dare give a child a sip of coffee?
You want to try it? No?
It's really good.
It's pretty tasty. Do you remember what this smelled like? Does that smell good? A little strong.
Oh, no.
You want me to get a fun straw and then you can taste it? Good, try it. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Just a small sip.
Little tiny bit. Tell them.
That tastes good.
Bye.